Welcome to an exciting look at Agentic AI, the innovative platform transforming customer interaction. Launching on September 26, 2025, Agentic AI introduces the next generation of no-code AI agents designed for entrepreneurs and agencies alike. For just $37 during the early bird special, you can access smart AI agents that automate customer support and lead generation without needing any technical skills. Imagine deploying 24/7 responsive AI agents on your website, CRMs, and voice channels. These agents don't just follow scripts, they think and interact like humans, bridging the gap between technology and personalized service. In this review, we'll explore the key features like white label capabilities for resellers, multi-platform support, and their beginner-friendly interface. With its competitive pricing and robust functionality, Agentic AI is a game changer for those looking to enhance their digital businesses. Don't miss your chance to revolutionize customer engagement with this powerful tool. Get started now and lock in your discount before prices rise. Join the movement towards effective, automated customer interaction today. Check the description box for the product link and the full written review. If this video was helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and smart business tools.